Are you dreaming of starting your own poultry farm but don't know where to begin? Whether you are looking to raise chickens for meat, eggs, or both, you are in the right place. Welcome to eSmart Farm. In today's video, we'll share 10 expert tips to help beginners like you get started and succeed in poultry farming. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with some farming tips. Let's get started. Tip number 1: start small. It is tempting to dive in with hundreds of chickens, but it's best to begin with 20 to 50 birds. Why did I say that? The reason I said that is because experience is the best teacher, and the best thing for you to do as a beginner is to learn with just few birds. 20 to 50, it's okay, so that you can learn the basic without feeling overwhelming. So that is for tip 1: start small. Always remember that in any business you want to do, it is advisable to start small. Get 20 to 50 birds and learn while using that. Then tip number 2: choose the right breed for your goals. Do you want to go for eggs? You go for layers. You want to go for meat? You go for broilers or noelas or croquet. Research breeds that thrive in your climate for the best results. In Nigeria, we have so many breeds. For example, in broilers, we have like Major 4, we have Rose 308, we have Cup 500, we have Masha, and we have Aboeka. So you need to make your research to know which one you want to go for. All of them are good, but they have their peculiarity. Tip number 3, because I don't really want this video to I don't want it to be long, so I will just do it short so that by the time we start picking the topic one by one, then we can elaborate on it. The next tip is to build a conducive environment for the birds. A conducive environment for the birds. Their space must be well ventilated, and you must protect it well so that lizard, rodents, snakes, etc. will not be able to get their way or get access to where you put them. When you protect them from predators, they tend to do more. They do more and they are productive the more. So the rule of thumb has it that you should allow 2 to 3 square feet per bed inside the coop or the pen. We call it pen in Nigeria. And 8 to 10 square meter feet per bed for outside, those ones that you just leave outside. We call it free range. So keep this in your mind. The place must be spacious, it must be clean, it must be well ventilated. Once you have all this, you are good to go. So the next tip is you provided them with quality clean water and quality feed. We all know that water is life. Water is important to every living thing. So also in this poultry farm, your chicken need clean water. Clean water. If you want best out of your poultry farm, you need to give them clean water. While you are doing that, you need to support with quality feed. We have so many feeds in Nigeria. We have top feed, we have hybrid, we have animal care. We have so many of them. But you need to make research on the quality of each of them. Once they have good water and quality feed, forget it. Whether you are going to layers or broilers farming, they will do well. Don't forget about the tips that we listed above. You need to provide them with correct ventilations, good environment for them to do well also. So while you are doing the above, giving them quality water and quality feed, you also need to make their environments hygiene. I'm so sorry. Hygiene is critical in poultry farming. You need to clean your coop or your pen regularly to prevent diseases. Once you have a drop of water, you need to pack that part and replace with fresh bedding. But if you put it as in you leave it without being attended to, then we have germs. Microorganisms will begin to grow from that part. So use fresh bedding to replace the wet one and clear the dirty bedding out regularly. So sorry, I won't be able to complete this video. I don't want it to be too long, so I will make this part 1 and drop the later part 2 either tomorrow or next. So starting your poultry farm might seem challenging, but with these tips you are on the path to success. Which of these tips did you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more poultry farm tips. See you. Love ya.